Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of February the 19th to the 25th. First off, check your digital coupons booster. A lot of us got this one, which is $6 back when you spend $25. Just a meat and potatoes kind of booster. So it's valid from that week and it is of a one-time use. And yes, it stacks with paper. We also got this one. Earn $5 when you spend $20. Earn $10 when you spend $30 in health and wellness. Valid from the 19th to the 4th, so 2 weeks, one-time use as well. And I'm sure it's going to stack with the other one. But what health and wellness entails, we'll have to wait and see, what it's attaching to, yay or nay, and then we'll figure that one out. Definitely, I would probably get a $30 basket going to use both of them. So again, for these boosters, for the window to use both, it's from the 19th to the 25th of a one-time use. If you have a paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine, like spend 40, get back 9, for example. Yes, they do stack. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any store, register, rewards, or Walgreens cash, or you will mess things up with that spend booster. But an opportunity to get some very cheapy stuff. And I'll definitely test some sort of deal out for you guys on Sunday, figure something out to use the two boosters. In case you missed it, yesterday, which was Friday the 17th, Valentine's Day hit between 70 to 80%, depending what you're buying. I think like candies and stuff, a little less. But Valentine's Day decor cards, that sort of stuff, about 80%. And then the fall and winter apparel, like hats, gloves, long johns, those sort of good items, 90% off. So you might want to look for that. I believe that by the 19th, which is Sunday, they're probably going to start boxing this stuff up. Walgreens sends it off to a warehouse where it gets auctioned, and people who buy seasonal shelf pulls, and both of these are seasonal shelf pulls, they'll probably start bidding on them, and they need a good amount of it because they'll make a lot more selling them at auction than selling it at 90% off. So I would go before Sunday the 19th if this merchandise might interest you, because it's very good deals. Okay, so deals of the week. We have the Olay at $7, $5 reward when you buy 3. That's a $5 store register reward. Currently, I think there's going to be a $2 off, but if a more generous digital coupon shows up and then something on IBOTTA, such as a 5 back when you buy 3, possibly maybe 2 for $7 for the cashews, a very good deal. And some of this stuff interests me, some of it meh. This is also pretty cool, the 4 for $9, which is the Bounce Downy Tide Simply Laundry Care. You can mix and match. If you're a newer couponer really trying to build up your laundry care section in your stockpile, yes, I would do this deal. Let's throw in this, which is a $5 off of P&G. Very specific what you can use this for, yay or nay. But if you got one of these last week, grabbing 4 of the Tide Downy, if you want to mix and match it, or if you want to grab 4 Tide Simplies or 4 Downies, or the Bounce dryer sheets, whatever you want to grab. 4 of them for $9, subtracting that $5 P&G register reward, and I would throw in $4 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax and call this a super smart deal. Now, I could not help myself, guys, but what is this? This is a deal of the week, $3.99. OMG, that is so expensive and rich. Like, even for a family-sized box, like, that seems so expensive for a deal of the week. Deal of the week is usually like $1.99, not $3.99. So this one blew the roof and doors off for me. I'm just shocked. Okay, so this deal is back again. $1.29 for the Dawn dish soap. I was going to call it the Dawn liquid dish soap. What the heck? I'm making up my own rules. $1 register reward when you buy 3. We can also throw in this guy if you might want to use it. Grabbing 4 of those dish soaps, that's $5.16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back $1 register reward. I think this is a super smart deal. And if you are a Dawn user and this is the only thing you use, and a lot of people in their households only use Dawn dish soap, and you can use it for so many things, cleaning your bathroom, not only the dishes, very good stock up price. Okay, now we have the Palmolive for $2.99, and a lot of us are not fussy what dish soap you use. $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $5.98. You're going to get back your $3 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.98 for the 2, or $1.49 each. Typically, when this deal rolls around, there's a high-value digital coupon, like 75 cents off of one. Look for that on Sunday. And yes, you can buy more than one set. So say you wanted to buy 4, you would get back $6 in Walgreens cash. And yes, you can flip it for this one, like spend it to earn it, because this is a buy scenario. As long as you're not doing it in concert with a booster, remember that. My favorite deal, the all for $3.99. This is typically $7.49. Typically, when this deal rolls around, there's either a dollar or $1.50 digital. So $2.99 or maybe $2.49, depending what we might get. I love the all clear packs. Very comparable to Tide, and my husband, who's allergic to everything, loves that detergent. Now, this is a wild card. $7 for the Dove body wash. So for 2 of them, that's going to be $14. We're supposed to get a 7 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. So you'd pay $7 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. However, that $7 digital coupon, we're going to have to wait and see on Sunday if it appears or not. I hear rumors about it, but I've yet to see anything concrete. But don't be surprised if you see it. And if you do see it, this is definitely the deal to utilize that coupon to the max. Okay, and now we have the Kisses for $2.99. That's a very, very good price point. So for 2 of them, that would be $5.98. If you might have a $5 store coupon, use that and pay 98 cents. And that is a perfect start to Easter baskets. Okay, so let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Now, $11.99 for 2 of them. That's $23 and some change. $4 reward when you buy 2. If IBOTTA has the $3 back, this potentially could be a deal. So throw this one on the back burner, guys. Also, lots of cleaner is on clearance, including this $4.99 for this Method antibacterial spray. You can clean your whole bathroom with that. 99 cents. And this is on clearance at many different stores. It was also on clearance at Staples. So I have a belief that they're discontinuing the bamboo scent. If that's your thing, look for it at Walgreens. And we have the Jif peanut butter for $2.99 along with the Smucker's fruit spread. Peanut butter and jelly, that might be a well-balanced meal right now with the price of food. Honestly, if you had a big family or a bunch of teenagers, I would buy like $20 to $50 of food. Make it happen. We have the 4 for $5 for the tuna creations by Starkist. Having a hard time talking today. Also a really good price point. And my favorite, the Lindsay olives, 2 for $3. If you love olives, you know this is a really good price point at $1.50 per can. If you love ice cream, you might want to look in the ice cream section over at Walgreens. A lot of their fancier ice cream is 50% off. Haagen-Dazs at $3.49. The original price point, I think it's like $6.99, like made out of gold price for that little pint. And before I take off, in case you missed it, I made a video yesterday about the Dollar General clearance event. We have a date. Even if you're a diehard Walgreens pharmacy shopper, you might want to check out this video. I think this is a time for all of us where, you know, the sales and the deals are getting smaller and smaller with everything happening in the world. And this might be an opportunity, if you want to watch this video, to score a lot of stuff on the cheap, just to give you a reference point on how to start this clearance event. Shopping over at the Dollar General, lots of very good information, and I'll link it at the very end. I'm certainly looking forward to it, and it's going to be taking place from the 3rd to the 5th of March. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.